guys, my name is Cyril and today we're gonna make Bolognese pasta and this is our ingredient. Pasta, pork, ketchup, chopped tomato, pepper, salt, garlic, cheese, butter and oil. We will need to use high pot and hot water because if we use the small pot, the pasta that touch here, it will burn. First we will boil the water. And come wash the water. If it's boiling like this, we can put our pasta.
ว้าวอ้าวทำไมน้ำเป็นสีแดงอ่ะ
Because our water is boiling our tomato.
โอ้
And we chop it.
อืม อ๋อ แล้วทำอะไรต่อ
If the small, it will be there and will burn, but the high is only like there. It's a little bit.
อ๋อ เดี๋ยวมันก็ยุบตัวลงไปแล้วทำอะไรต่อ
We will wait for pasta to soft and now first we will put some salt into the water to make it have a little bit salt. Just like
อืม
a little bit like this.
อือหือ
So we're gonna put our salt in there,
อืม
just like this. This amount.
โอเคคุเล่คุเล่คุเล่
At the same. And we keep our salt and stir it.
โอเคเราต้องต้มกี่นาทีอะคะเนี่ย
We need to boil our pasta like 4 minutes. 4 minutes to make it soft. And you can taste it if it's soft enough or not enough for you. You can use your fork to taste the pasta. If you want the pasta to soft faster, you close it.
จับเวลากี่นาทีนะ
Faster, like only 3 minutes from 4 minutes.
โอ้โอเค
But I will taste now. It's good already. Oh. Okay, so we will taste it now.
อืมอุ้ยดูแข็ง ดูก็รู้ว่าแข็ง ดูก็รู้ว่าแข็งอยู่ว่าคีบมา โอ้มันเป็นทรงเลยแข็งเลย
If it's still hard like this, you need to put it back.
โอ้
Bye bye.
คีบมามันก็รู้แล้วบายบายคีบมามันก็รู้แล้วมันเป็นทรงอย่างนั้นอะฮะ
Wait it.
ไปแล้วนะ
So come wash the pasta. If it look hard
คนดูดิ
like this,
คน
if it still look hard like this, you don't need to try it because it's hard.
อ๋อ
Wait a little bit minute, and it will be soft.
อืม
Come wash. The pasta is already soft in this shape.
อ๋อ
Let's try if it's soft or not. If it's soft already,
อืม
soft
Okay.
is good. Soft,
turn off gas
then turn off.
โอเค next
This and pasta right here.
ระทะร้อนแล้วเหรอ กระทะร้อนแล้วเหรอ ใส่ไป ใส่ไปตามใจชอบอืม
any amount that you want
อืม
butter
อืมอืมโอเค
some garlic
กาลิกไงอืมอืม
stir it
น้ำมันน้อยไปไหม
if you think the oil is less don't have too much put
Uh-huh.
some
โอเคพอ
that enough already for our pasta and put tomato in there and stir it
เดี๋ยวคนไปเรื่อยๆเดี๋ยวมันก็เละเองเร็ว
you stir and it will be smaller if you
เอาหมูมาใส่เลยไหม
and put some pork in there.
Oh very much
Stir it. Pork you can put in there many or less. If you want too much, if you want much, so put like that. It will be very much. So put some pasta water. So we boiling some our pasta. And stir it.
ทำไปเรื่อยๆจนกว่าหมูจะสุกเนาะ
The pork you need to chop it first because if you don't chop it will big and it hard to change the color into white. It will take time. So when you put the pork you need to do like this to make it smaller. Like this. And tomato too. It will
อู้
be
สีสวย
smaller.
สีสวย
And now you can put ketchup to make it colorful and have taste. Not too much or else do not put too much or else it will too red and it will sweet. So stir it. Put some paper. So hot. And stir it. Sugar. And salt. Again, do like it again. This amount and put in our tomato sauce and stir it. You can put pasta water too if you think it's too dry. And stir it. If taste, you need to taste it. Taste with the fork like this. Your hair is sweet, sour, and a little bit salty. You can put this thing you not deep if you want. But I will put it to make it tasty. Not too much, like half spoon of roti and ketchup again. And put ketchup to make it more colorful. And stir it. So now you need to taste it again. After you put a little bit of spaghetti and ketchup, you need to taste it again to know that your sauce Bolognese is good or not. Hot.
เป็นไง
Taste good because of รสดี and put our pasta
กินหมดเปล่าไม่หมดก็แบ่งใส่
and serve it. Wow. You need to put a little bit of oil to make the spaghetti is not stick together. Just like a little bit, not too much. And finished. Bolognese pasta. You can push another spoon of pasta or like half, not too much, or it will be too much water. Do not make it very dry. Okay, it's finished now. You can turn off the gas and eat it. So after we pour the pasta into our plate,
ว้าว delicious
I will put the cheese.
โอ้ special
That I tell you at the first that we will use cheese and we will microwave it like 30 seconds.
เคยไปกินแบบนี้ที่ไหนนะ Daily Home ใช่ไหม
In here.
Daily Home ใช่ไหม
30 seconds to 1 minute.
อืมเอามีดมานี่
Ready for microwave. I think 1 minute is okay. Power like 3, 30. Yeah. Power and 1 minute. Ready and now when the microwave finish, we'll put some paper. Oregano and parsley. Oregano and
Black pepper
pepper.
โอเค
So we can wait for our spaghetti. Look, our spaghetti is finished now. Look how cheesy it is.
ว้าว
Look delicious. And now we put some pepper. Oregano. And a little bit of parsley. Finished. So let's taste it. So let's go taste it outside. So now I'm ready to taste it. So first we're gonna mix it all. Let's mix all of them. So it's ready now. Good. With the sample, it have sour, sweet, creamy, and salty a little bit. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.